Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's AE29 Kids. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute tassels. Wrapping the wool around our hands, as you can see I'm doing right now. We are going to do this about 30 times. You can do yours more or less, depending on the size that you Finish wrapping the wool around our hands, we are going to cut another piece of wool about 8 inches long. We are now going to use the 8-inch piece of wool and wrap it around the wool that we wrapped around our hands earlier. So now let's tie it together tightly. We now want to cut through the loops. We now need to cut another 8-inch piece of wool. Now lay the 8-inch piece of wool on the table and put the tassel on top of it. And now tie the two ends of the wool together as tight as possible. Now let's give our beautiful tassel a cute haircut and we are done! Looking cute, right? There are different ways of doing these tassels. You might want to do a double bubble head, or you can mix the colors on a single head, or maybe just do a plain one like I did. You can use these cute tassels to put on clothing or maybe even blankets. guys, this is the end of our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to share us out to your friends and family. We will see you in our next video. Bye bye.